Hello everyone and welcome to Vegan and Beyond. Today we're going to be making an alkaline stir fry, veggie stir fry along with quinoa. So I have my skillet heating up at medium heat. We're going to be using about 1 cup of bella mushrooms, about a cup of kale, about a half of a bell pepper, half of a red onion. We have a half a cup of cilantro, half a cup of coconut aminos, which is a healthier version of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of agave, half of a teaspoon of sea salt, and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. And once this gets heated up, we're gonna toss the veggies in the skillet to start cooking it. We're gonna put in the kale last, being I don't want it to overcook. So the skillet's hot enough, so let's get it going. And my new lighting came in, as you could tell. Super excited. So we're gonna toss everything in here. And we're gonna stir fry it. And I posted up a video on how to kind of renew your iron skillet. I just put some grapeseed oil and baked it at 350 for an hour, and it kind of made it brand new again. So it's not really non-stick, and I have no oil in here. The oil that's in here was from what I baked it in to make it like a non-stick. And so far it is working, and I'm loving it. So we're just gonna stir fry before we add our seasoning. Okay, so the veggies have been cooking for about 2 minutes, so I'm going to start adding my ingredients. And I'm going to start off with my coconut aminos, kind of give it that juice. I'm going to add in my 1/4 cup of agave to give it that little sweet kick. And this combo tastes really, really good. I actually love it. Okay, kind of give that a little stir. All right, now we're gonna add a half a teaspoon. Sorry, I'm not sure if you can see that. Okay, half a teaspoon of sea salt. And 1 teaspoon of onion powder. I love onions. And we're gonna add a half a cup of cilantro. Oh, I didn't even cut it, so I'm gonna cut it real quick. Just a quick dice. That's good. Kind of give that a little stir. And this is one of my favorite quick meals. It's super filling and delicious. Eat it with rice. You can make it into a taco. It has a few ways of eating it. It's really, really good. All right. So we're gonna let that cook for another minute before we add the kale. All right, so I've let it cook for an extra minute. And as you can tell, they're starting to get translucent a little. So now we're going to add our kale. I'm gonna give this a little stir. Kind of mix everything in there. And this is pretty much the only way I can eat kale. I'm not saying I can never in the future eat kale raw. I don't ever say never anymore, because your body changes as you clean it, as it cleans itself. Your taste changes, everything, like things that you've craved changes. So, but as of now, I cannot eat kale raw. It's just the texture, something about the texture. It's just too tough for me. But I do like it slightly cooked. Like it's definitely more edible. And not to mention with the seasonings of all this, it just tastes really, really good. So this is almost just about done. It's a quick meal, like really, really quick. And it just tastes so, so good.